In this video, Chloe and I are going to show you 4 portrait locations you can find in any neighborhood, and we're going to look real cool while doing it. First, look for solid colored walls. Colored walls are everywhere when you know to look for them. Check around alleys, retail areas, and schoolyards. We shot these in front of cool garage doors right in my neighborhood.
Yeah, turn your head a little bit this way.
Keep an eye out for interesting colors or textures and try to have your subject's outfit complement the colors around them. Second, look out for bushes and foliage. Green and orange are complementary colors, and orange is the base color of most skin tones, so putting your subjects against a green backdrop is almost always a good idea. Third, get to a high location. We climbed an empty playground, but you can look for rooftops, hilltops, or anywhere with access to the sky. Get a low angle with your camera, shoot with a wide open lens, and you'll get beautiful bokeh with minimal distractions in the background. Finally, look for corners. Leading lines are an easy way to draw the viewer's eye to your subject, so find outer corners of buildings, inner corners where walls meet, or any place where 2 lines intersect for a great location for portraits. So to recap, look for solid colored walls, bushes and foliage, high locations, and corners.
Are you about to scooter with my camera, Chloe?
No, I wouldn't do that. That's unsafe and unprofessional. This is expensive equipment!
Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next week with another tutorial.